Igbo names and meaning. First, let's look at the difference between Chi and Chukwu and what they mean. Chi is God, a guardian spirit, a person's invisible self, a man's soul. Okay, for instance, in the name Chimamanda, it can mean my personal spirit will never be broken or my God will never fall. Depends on what the parents have in mind. Chi is also employed to signify Chukwu, a contraction of Chi Ukwu, that is Great Chi, which means Supreme God or interminable God. So Chi can be used as the short form of Chukwu, which is Supreme God. It can also mean small God, that is a person's personal spirit.